Workplace Employee Performance Development Plan Workshop, presented by Henry Briggs, MS Education, Walden University. Workplace Performance Basics, pre-training informational websites and articles, comments from workshop participants. Define competency. The definition of competency is being adequately or well qualified to physically and or intellectually to perform a task. Competency examples: accountability, customer service, teamwork, technical knowledge. Mission is to define who your organization is, including what your department's customers, stakeholders affect and are affected by the organization's strategies. What is its reason for being in business? Vision, to define what your organization strives to become, encompassing the goals of the organization as a whole.
Ready.
Goal. In order to create individual goals, one must know the competencies of the position, the mission of the organization and department, the vision of the organization and department. The goal and objectives of the organization is also required to create goal or an end where effort is directed and that are valuable in performance development process. Goals can be related to a project or event. Goals can be related to job functions in your job description. Goals can be driven for performance improvement of the employee. Also, they can be made to learn a new skill or job knowledge enhancement. The performance management cycle consists of 5 major aspects: competency creation, goal setting, self-assessment evaluation, supervisor evaluation, rating and narrative, ongoing process throughout the year with coaching and feedback. Review employee is trained on a performance review process. Quiz and rubric completed to make sure reviewee understands the process. Mission and vision is reviewed. Competencies are discussed and either given as department initiatives for individual competencies are created. Review employee is given the tools to create individual performance review process goals. Inform a meeting with a supervisor to review goals. Final performance development plan written and signed off by reviewee supervisor and reviewee employee. Actions completed and outcomes are recorded. Mid-cycle year review with key players to discuss how things are going. Annual performance review is written by reviewer and reviewed, commended by reviewee. Annual review with key players to discuss how the year went and discuss next year. Goal setting with SMART goal is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Before we begin creating our goal worksheet, please see the instructions to create file sharing folders. Audrey did a great job on file sharing. On the next slide, you will see the goal worksheet, which was emailed to you all individuals who signed up for the workshop. This is the form we will be creating in class together individually and help from our colleagues in the class. The experiential part of the class will be creating goal worksheets and saving our forms to the file share. You've done a great job creating your goal worksheets and saving the document in file share. Kindly take a few moments and complete workshop evaluation on the course and myself. I hope you enjoyed today's workshop on the Workplace Performance Development Plan. During our time together, we learned about the 2 aspects of the Performance Development Plan process, which were reviewing competencies that your workplace believes are closely related to most jobs, and you created individual goals related to your jobs. I hope you will be able to go back to your offices and meet with your supervisor regarding the next steps in the Performance Development Plan and its cycle. Thank you.